Hey, this is Pierre Delaco talking. I'm so excited because I discovered something that is very transformational. It's called Teams Premium. When you activate the license of Teams Premium, which just happened for me, you open to a new world of working. So as you can see, I have a very heavy agenda and I have a lot of meetings and I miss meetings or I'm partially here during the meetings because I have a lot of work. And Teams Premium is bringing onto the table not only that, but all the things that what I'm going to show. But what I want to show is what we call what Microsoft called an intelligent recap. So I'm going to take just one example here. This meeting, you see, I answered it was optional. It has been recorded. So first requirement, you need to have Teams Premium license for the user who is going to do that. The second thing is you need to record your meetings because it's based on analyzing with AI what has been said during the meeting. And then what happens then you can look back at the meeting, the past meeting, and you can have a recap. And I think everybody now has a recap, but you just see the recording. Here, what it brings on the table, you see who talked when, and you can jump into whatever section you want. You just have to click, where you want to jump, and it goes in the video right where the discussion happened. So I think it will come with even more features. When you at mention somebody, when you talk about somebody, it will show in the timeline. It will show here too. But what is really interesting here is the AI notes. So it's summarizing all the notes that has been said. And so you can see the Michael and Pierre have discussed the group creation restriction naming policy, and you can open and have more detail. So when you have, when you want to remember and not go over all the meeting recording and not read all the transcription, you have a summary of it. And at the end, you have a summary of suggested task because maybe somebody said something, I will do something, I will. So it's suggested as a task. So you don't forget about doing things after the meeting. And how many times it happened? You said something, you forgot about it because you have so many other meetings. And so you can copy that, paste it in OneNote or an email, send it to everybody as a summary of the what has been said during the meeting. It's super powerful, super accurate. I really encourage everybody to use Teams Premium. It has a cost, but definitely there's a benefit, and the benefit is very valuable, especially for project managers, for managers who want to have an understanding of what has been said during meetings and don't want to read everything and just want to have a summary. And it doesn't mean that you cannot talk to people to see what they felt about the meeting, what they remember about the meeting, but you have another source that is really powerful. Hope this was insightful and exciting.